Hello, my name is Panch Chandrasekharan, Marketing Manager for Serial I/O at Xilinx. Over the last several years, bandwidth has literally exploded, and that has fundamentally altered the way we consume data. And that means that across the board for products, interfaces have gotten faster, often requiring multi-gigabits per second interfaces. Xilinx as a company offers products that fits the bill across the board, across the spectrum, with Spartan-6 with GTP transceivers at the mainstream consumer end, all the way up to the ultra high-end and high-end with the Spartan-6 FPGA with the integrated GTX and GTH transceivers. Today we'll be focusing on the consumer display segment, which uses Spartan-6 FPGAs with the GTP transceivers. And to walk us through that, we have Bob Feng, who's the Technical Marketing Manager for Consumer Display segment. Welcome, Bob.
Thank you.
The displays of late have gotten very sophisticated and very high-end. So can you walk us through some of the interfaces that the displays use today?
Yeah, sure. LVDS interface has been always there. But with the increasing need of bandwidth for applications like a 3D TV or even high-definition TV, we have seen more and more interfaces like a V-by-One, DisplayPort, and HDMI.
Yeah, because of the serial nature of these interfaces, Spartan-6 FPGAs with the GTP transceivers is a good fit. And also, for a designer who's designing these displays, his fundamental care about is getting the data processing done, and he'd rather not worry about the connectivity aspects of it.
Absolutely. The worrying about the video interfaces is the last thing video algorithm developers want to do.
And he'd rather focus on the algorithms.
Correct.
And so to help the designers through the process, we have built a consumer video kit that essentially integrates all the interfaces that a designer would need. Can you walk us through the kit for us now?
Certainly. Now here is the Spartan-6 FPGA Consumer Video Kit. Now let's open it, see what's inside. Inside the box, you can find a welcome letter, a motherboard with Spartan-6 LX150T FPGA with integrated high-speed serial transceiver for all the video interfaces. Also, the board comes with 4 FMC connectors dedicated for each of the video interfaces. Then it comes with the DisplayPort daughter card, HDMI daughter card, V-by-One daughter card, and the LVDS daughter card. In addition to all these hardware boards, we also have these many cables, actually, accessories available for you, including the FPGA programming cable, power supply, LVDS cable, and even assembly screw to help you build up the board as soon as possible. Coming with this kit, we also have targeted reference design for each of these video interfaces. Today, we're going to demonstrate HDMI and DisplayPort reference designs. Now let's walk through the demo. Here is the CVK motherboard with Spartan-6 FPGA, and with 2 daughter cards populated. One is DisplayPort, the other one is HDMI. So let's go through the DisplayPort reference design first. So this is indeed a source pattern generator for DisplayPort. So we are using the Spartan-6 FPGA high-speed serial transceiver to conduct the VISA-compliant signaling standard. In the meantime, we also have a microblade design integrated to implement the source policymaker for DisplayPort. So on my laptop, I have this Xilinx Impact software installed to help me download these FPGA bitstream. As well, I have this microblade debugging interface loaded to help me download the microblade design. And also, I have a dump terminal goes through this USB to RS-232 converter to help me communicate with the policymaker design I loaded on the FPGA. As you can see on my left-hand side, it is a Dell monitor with a DisplayPort interface. So by interacting with my policymaker on the FPGA, I managed to display various resolutions from VGA to SVGA to XGA and to many other video interfaces all the way to the highest supported resolution. Now let's look at the second demo, which is HDMI video loop-through reference design. You know, on this daughter card, we have this HDMI connector on the daughter card. For its RX side, we connect to a standard HDMI video source. It's actually a standard high-definition video content player with HDMI output. So the daughter card receives the video signal and passes it to the Spartan-6 FPGA, and with this reference design, we have an option to leverage Spartan-6 internal memory controller block to build up a frame buffer to pass the video through back to the daughter card and go through the HDMI transmitter connector and back to the display monitor with HDMI interface. You know, on this demo, what you can see here, the video we pass through is in its full resolution 1080p, passing in and out, going through frame buffer with the help of Spartan-6.
Thank you, Bob, for walking us through the consumer video kit with the Spartan-6 FPGA and the different interfaces. I hope you found that useful and informative. For more information on this, please visit the website listed below. Thank you.